Hey guys, we have another package from Canyon Cubes. I decided to get just sort of like a random assortment of some puzzles that I wanted to get for a while and some new releases. So yeah, let's get right into it. So this one looks like it's a Meilong V2, the 6x6. Yeah, so I don't know if it'll replace. Currently, I have a Shadow, not Shadow. Sorry, it's just the AoChuang WRM that I currently have. And it's pretty nice, but you know, I feel like it's time for a new 6x6. I've been getting a lot into 6x6 lately, so this thing stand. Okay, let's open this. Oh, okay. It's very greasy. Also very small. I could immediately tell the size difference. It feels a bit budget. I think that is exactly what it advertised itself to be, so no issues there. Huh, very interesting. I'll have to play around with this more, but I mean, if I enjoy solving on it more, then I see why not for it to be my main. It's a bit tight, like it's a bit difficult to corner cut. I think that's what some people were saying about it. Huh, very interesting. I mean, I'll just go pretty smoothly on it, I think. But I am getting quite a few lockups. Okay, yeah, so this is actually not bad, but I honestly doubt it'll replace my WRM as it is now. Let's see the next one. I think this is the 7x7. This I think a lot of people actually have switched to, so this seems a lot more promising. Let's just stack all these right there. Okay, so yeah, this one I am excited to play with. I really do want to get my times down to like world class level, you know, like sub 220. So it feels identical, honestly, but outer layer is a lot better. Wow, I have this 7x7 right next to me, so you guys can see that. Wait, it's like basically the same size. What the heck? I could barely tell it's smaller. Wow, okay, interesting. Oh, it feels a lot nicer than, a lot faster, that's for sure, than the AoChuang worm. Yeah, it'd be really nice to do some solves on this, for sure. Okay, so we got those out of the way. Let's see what else we have. Ooh. Okay, this is the new Moyu Ivy Cube, the ball core Ivy. Moyu just decided to put a ball core in a Ivy Cube one day and call it a day. Let's see. Yeah, this is my first Ivy Cube, so I think, you know, this definitely should be more than enough for my speed solving needs. Oh, I see they don't have a cube stand with this time. Wait, what the heck? I didn't know it was textured. Huh. Interesting. I heard this is like just ridiculously easy. I think I know how to solve this because I've solved Super Ivy Cube before, and that's essentially one of the steps is literally a reduction into this or something like that. Actually, I don't know if that's true. I don't think that's true. But let's see. So first you solve the corners, and then you solve the. Let's see. If I want to get this here. Okay, yeah, so this can go to the opposite one like that. And then that. Oh, okay. Wait, what the heck? How do I get these through the cycle? Oh, like that. Okay, there you go. Very easy. It turns obviously very nicely, so can't complain there. Okay, I don't know what else to say about this puzzle, but it's a very easy puzzle, and I definitely hope it doesn't make it into the WCA. Okay, this I'm really excited about. This is the new 5x5. It's the double track version. I actually don't know if this is the best one, but I do know I wanted to upgrade my 5x5. Let's see. Let's see how good this really is. Whoa, it's UV coated. That's crazy. Wait, that feels so nice. What the fuck? I kind of want to do a solve right now. Yeah, very stable. Holy crap. Wow, wait, let me get my timer. I want to see how good this is. Okay, timer obtained. Let's see. Yeah, I mean, immediately it's my new main. This is so much more stable. Like, the issue with my old one was it was not very stable. It was a bit too fast, in fact. Okay, let's see. Okay. Oh shit, oops. Why did I do that, Alg? Oh, no. 103, no, that's terrible. Wait, let me do one more solve. This is, oh my god, like literally out of the box, this is like perfect. Like I could compete in a comp right now with this and probably get a PR or something. Okay. Okay, let's say this is the first solve of my average. Let's see what my second solve would be. Okay, obviously I do yellow here. Oh, okay. Oh shit, I can't look ahead. That's the issue, isn't it? It's always been the issue. Okay, so barely sub 1. Okay, so I definitely have to do more solves, but I think this is easily the best 5 I've ever felt. Holy crap, this is amazing. Where was this all my life? This is amazing. Wait, yeah, I literally cannot describe how pleased I am with this turning. Wow. Bro, I can like average like sub 50 on this, I think, with like a bit of practice. Okay, there's that. I think the last one. Oh, okay, wait, actually before that, I see this other thing here. It's like a freaking rubber ducky. That's pretty cute. I wonder what the significance of this is. Very, very fascinating stuff. Okay, and then finally we have... Oops, that was my kill mix that fell. This is a very recent release. I wanted to try it for myself. I think it's a new magnetic void cube from Qiyi. Wow. I've always wanted a void cube. Like, obviously you can make a void cube yourself by like taking out the center caps from the center of a normal 3x3, but it's just really freaking cool to have something like this. You know, you can like stick something through it and like it still works. Let's try doing a solve. It turns pretty well. You know, obviously it's a void cube, so you're not going to be able to, you know, achieve like GTS, or not GTS, like WRM V10 turning, but you know, let's scramble up the centers, so, you know, Nice. Okay, yeah. So the way I heard that you're supposed to do this is you do blind tracing, so you know how to trace. So like W L wall. I guess you don't even have to do letters. You can just 1 2 1 2 1. Okay, 1. So I have parity for corners. So let's see. 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. So I actually have no parity for the edges. Oh, I think I do want that because okay, so that means it. If I solve this with red and white here, then it should be fine. Let's see if that makes sense. Okay. There we go. That was pretty bad, but the solve didn't get parity, so at least that worked. Huh, interesting. The grip is a bit strange compared to normal 303 because you sort of missing space for the centers. And obviously corner cutting is not nearly as good. This is definitely still very fascinating. Okay, I think I know it's white green, so actually let me do it. Oops. Wait, how do you do this again? I don't remember. What? Like this? Okay, that's obviously not it. Oh, right. You can do some M stuff. ME2. So here are all the puzzles I got. This one I'm so pleased with. Oh my goodness. To conclude, let me do one last solve on this. And I think it'll be a good one. I think my look ahead will kick in. Bruh. What? That was still... Okay, no, again. I need to get a slice there. One, 3, okay, whatever. Now let's do 6x6. Oh, okay. I think I could do that. Where's the other one? Oh, there. Okay. Okay, let's do blue here. Oops, that did not finish that for some reason. Ooh, okay, whatever. Whoa, do that. Okay, parody. Okay, it's a bit rough to solve with. I don't think it'll be replacing my other main, which is fine. But let's see if this one does. Some more. Okay, good enough. Interesting. Oh shoot, I forgot to reply to this message. I'll have to do that later. Okay, so far it's not going too badly. Okay. All the cross pieces are coming out easily, wow, okay. Okay, like that. Oh, okay. That. I just see everything so clearly. Ooh. The frick? Oh, crap. Is it gonna skip? Nope. What? That's it? Only a 3? Holy, what the? I felt like that went so smoothly. Interesting. I think it's a bit uncontrollable, so I'll definitely have to slow it down a bit. Okay, one more solve. There's one last solve. And 58. Nope, not good enough. Okay, getting better. Oh, 51. Pretty good. Pretty good.